Jordan, this is Danny and Jason, and we're making a video for YouTube to send on YouTube for naming the puppies. We don't have names for these puppies yet, and we need your input.
We don't need introductions.
But to name the puppies, first you have to know the history of the puppies. The one closest to you, that is the female. She has no tail. The reason she has no tail is because one day Dad decided to take the puppies down to the creek, and he left them down there all day long. When they come back up from the creek, one had a mangled tail and the other had a mangled paw.
Here's the mangled paw.
Luckily, we were able to save the paw. Jason wanted to amputate, but I talked him out of it.
There's the mangled.
That is the amputated tail. There's no tail. Okay, so we got one that's a male.
Cut it.
The male has a tail. The female has no tail. And I don't know what type of dogs they are. I think they're crossbred.
Foxhounds and Sheba.
Foxhound and the mother is Sheba. The Foxhound was the father. So that is the history of the two pups. And they're kind of, if you haven't noticed already, they're kind of portly. They're kind of chubby. They haven't missed any meals lately. We'll get some close-ups on these guys. Look how cute they are, Jordan. They're pretty. I have to say they are pretty cute. But that's about all I guess you need to know about the pups. Oh, that one fell down.
They're tough though. They're
okay, I'm trying to keep this under 2 minutes, but
tougher than you think. Here, let me do a footage of Danny.
No.
Here. I don't like my picture taking.
He says he doesn't like photographs.
I don't like to be. I was gonna shave.
Well, you didn't have time. No time to shave.
Okay, let's. Okay, here's a picture of Jay.
Minute 51 seconds. There's Jason.
Keep it on. Keep it on, Dan.
Signing off.
Shut her down.
Good night.